On Monday, we told you how India is all set to roll out Wuhan virus vaccines, the Oxford AstraZeneca shot Covishield and the Bharat Biotech vaccine Covaxin. We told you that both the vaccines had been approved, but the date of rollout was yet to be confirmed. Well, now the date has been confirmed. We have a number. It's a matter of 10 days now. These vaccines should be out in about 10 days from now. That is to say, by the 14th or 15th of January. Now, India's vaccination program will be the largest in the world, and even before it begins, it has found some significant global endorsements. The first one is from the third richest man in the world, Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft. He has hailed India's vaccine rollout in a tweet tagging the Prime Minister's office. Bill Gates said, and I'm quoting, "It's great to see India's leadership in scientific innovation and vaccine manufacturing capability as the world looks to end the COVID-19 pandemic." By the way, this is not the first time that the Microsoft co-founder has lauded India's efforts. He had previously written to Prime Minister Modi hailing the Indian government's utilization of digital tools in its pandemic response. He said, "I'm glad your government is fully utilizing its exceptional digital capabilities in its COVID-19 response and has launched the Arogya Setu digital app for coronavirus tracking, contact tracing, and to connect people to health services." This was in April last year. Then we come to the second global endorsement. It is from the chief of the World Health Organization, the one and only Dr. Tedros. He had some rather kind words to say about India in a tweet tagging the Prime Minister, and I'm quoting once again, "India continues to take decisive action and demonstrate its resolve to end the COVID-19 pandemic. As the world's largest vaccine producer, it's well placed to do so. If we #act together, we can ensure effective and safe vaccines are used to protect the most vulnerable everywhere." The next endorsement has come all the way from Brazil in the form of a request. A Brazilian association of private health clinics is seeking a deal for India's COVID vaccine. The association says it is negotiating with Bharat Biotech to buy 5 million doses of Covaxin. It has signed a memorandum of understanding with the firm regarding the same. The president of this association has said, and I'm quoting, "We had been looking for solutions for the private market, and the possibility came up of using this Indian vaccine, which is very promising." He has further added that representatives of his association will travel to India to continue the talks. Well, India's vaccine rollout has been caught in politics and a fair bit of criticism. But there are global endorsements too. As for India's numbers, they look good. India ranks among the lowest in the world in terms of active cases and deaths per million people. The active cases are less than 2.5 lakhs, 250,000. Out of this, 44% are in hospital with moderate symptoms, 56% in home isolation with mild symptoms. India is on a streak of low daily cases compared to the rest of the world. Only 16,000 new cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. And in the same period, more than 19,500 recoveries have been reported in India. This is among the highest in the world. There's a reason India's strategy is getting global attention and endorsements. Yes, the situation may not be completely perfect, and you could say the same about the pandemic response, not perfect either perhaps, but it is improving, and in about 10 days, vaccines will be rolled out. There's still hope on the horizon. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.